Very good morning to you all. Dear audience, you know ISC project is very important to learn about different cultures so that we can work globally. It's an initiative, you can say. Uh, it aims to encourage better global citizen and multi understanding among the young people worldwide. So for this, Jamal Khan Kusum Kumari City Corporation Girls High School and the Millennium School worked together last 1 year. I welcome you all in this online project presentation session. Dear Honorable Principal of the Millennium School, Dr. Gurudev Singh, the student of the Millennium School and coordinator. Kirandeep Kaur, yes, Kirandeep Kaur, ma'am, and your beloved students and student of Jamal Khan Kusum Kumari City Corporation Girls High School. Young speakers, this is Lutfunisa Khanam, assistant teacher, Jamal Khan Kusum Kumari City Corporation Girls High School. Welcome you all in this wonderful online session. Dear audience, for your kind acknowledgement, I would like to say that this program is being recorded. This program is also divided into two parts. First one, project presentation and question answer session. Before that, let me introduce our audience. I'd like to introduce all of our audience. First of all, the Millennium School students, you can introduce yourself who are presented. Just introduce unmute and introduce yourself one by one. Dear Kirandeep ma'am, please first you introduce yourself and then introduce your student also.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. So very warm morning to everyone here. I, Kirandeep Kaur, ISA coordinator, the Millennium School, Kalavali, Sirsa, India. It is my pleasure to welcome our Honorable Principal Sir, Dr. Gurudev Singh, teachers and students. And I would like to welcome my honorable guest, distinguished guest, Mrs. Lutfunisa Khanam ma'am from the Jamal Kusum Kumari City Corporation Girls High School, Chittagong, Bangladesh, and her teachers as well as her students. So as we know that we are gathered here today to share our views, learnings, what we have done in our project, the wildlife resources. So this is my pride to welcome all my guests and my school staff and students. So now I would like to take privilege to share the flow of the today's meeting. So first of all, the introduction round will take place for both of the schools. Then we will present our PPT on the wildlife resources. After that, partner school will present their slides on the wildlife resources. On the basis of study and research of our project the students have done, they will share their learning by a question answer round. Then next, our principal sir will address all of us. The closing remarks I would like to call Lutfunisa ma'am for her precious views and closing remarks. And then now we can start with the introduction part. So I will call my teacher Vipu ma'am, please start introduction. After that my students will give introduction.
Good morning all of you. I'm Vipu Uppal.
Good morning.
My students can start introduction. Avgeet. Akshit can introduce.
Student of grade 6. Students, please introduce yourself one by one. We can do those students who are there. Naman, please introduce yourself.
My name is Naman Gill, student of grade 6, the Millennium School, Kanawali, Sirsa, in
Lavish.
I am Ravi Singla, student of grade 6, Millennium School, Kalamali, Sirsa, India.
Yes, Manavjeet. Manavjeet.
Hello, I am Manjeet Singh from grade 6, the Millennium School, Sirsa, Kalamwali.
Salisha.
Hello, my name is Richa. I read in class 6 from Sirsa, India.
Akshay.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Akshay Singla from in the Millennium School, Kalavali, from district Sirsa in India.
Fine. Harman.
Good morning, everyone. Myself,
Harman.
Harman Singh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Harman Singh, student of grade 6th, the Millennium School, Kanawali, Sirsa, India.
Dhriti. Dhriti.
Good morning, everyone. I am Dhriti, student of grade 6, the Millennium School, Kalamali, Sirsa, India.
Arnav.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Arnav, class 6, Kalamali, Sirsa.
Jasmine. Jasmine. Nandika. Nandika.
I am Nandika, student of class 6, the Millennium School, Kalavali, Sirsa, India.
Geet.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abjeet Kaur, student of grade 6 of the Millennium School, Kalamwali, Sirsa, India.
So very good morning. I'm Dr. Gurdeep, principal of the Millennium School, Kalamwali, Sirsa, India. Thank you very much. We
Thank
can
you,
proceed
sir.
ahead.
Thank you, sir. Now our turn. Our student, introduce yourself first. Afra Nawar, introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Afra Nawar, student of class 10 of Jamal Khan Kusum Kumari School.
Then Nasreen Akhtar.
Hello everyone, my name is Nasreen Akhtar, the student of class 10 of Jamal Khan Kusum Kumari City Corporation Balika Girls High School.
Then right now, ma'am, Kirandeep ma'am, you can start. Your student will present your presentation, Safe Tiger presentation.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So here I would like to invite my students to show the PPT PowerPoint presentation on wildlife resources, Save the Tigers. So dear students, I am sharing screen. Avgeet, you may proceed first.
Lutfunisa ma'am, kindly make me co-host so that I can share the screen.
You can share screen, but this is not paid Zoom, so you can share screen, no problem.
No problem. Okay, right. Fine. Thank you.
Sir, I am trying.
Okay, right.
Sir, so my screen is visible.
Yes.
It's visible.
It's okay. Quite okay.
Okay, right. So Naman Bache, start the presentation.
Save the Tiger. Measures to save the tiger in India. Presented by by student of grade 6, the Millennium School, Kalavali, Sirsa, India. Total number of tiger population in countries of study. There is a bar graph represents the population of tiger in different countries. So there are 2,967 tigers in India, 562 in Russia, 604 tigers in Indonesia, and 400 tigers in Bangladesh. Reasons behind decreasing population of tigers. Point number 1, habitat loss. Point number 2, conflicts with humans. Point number 3, poaching. Point number 4, diseases and no medical care. Point number 5, humans greed. Point number 6, less budget. Point number 7, poor facility policies and implementation. Point number 8, climate change.
Why must we act to save tigers? Reasons to save tigers. Number 1, tiger is a top predator which is at the top of the food chain. Number 2, tigers maintain balance between prey herbivores and vegetation upon which they feed. Number 3, presence of tigers in the forest is an indicator of the well-being of the ecosystem. There are some more points why we need to save tigers. Number 1, prevents climate change. Number 2, supports livelihoods. Number 3, protects genetic diversity. Number 4, symbol of national pride. Number 5, brings rain. Major tiger reserves in India. Number 1, Ranthambore Tiger Reserve situated in Rajasthan. Number 2, Kanha Tiger Reserve located in Madhya Pradesh. Number 3, Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. Number 4, Panna National Park situated in Madhya Pradesh. Number 5, Manas Tiger Reserve in Assam. Number 6, Bandipur National Park located in Karnataka. Government initiatives to protect tigers. Number 1, Project Tiger. Project Tiger was incorporated in 1973 with 9 tiger reserves covering an area of 16,399 square kilometer. Number 2, the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972 enables government to take strict measures so as to ensure the conservation of Bengal tiger. Number 3, the Indian Board of Wildlife IDWL is responsible for carrying out the activities pertaining to wildlife conversations with the state governments. Number 4, Save Tigers campaign in India, TBT, Tigers by Tribals.
Avgeet, continue. Harman is not able to connect.
Project Tiger. Project Tiger is a wildlife conservation movement initiated in India in 1973 to protect tigers. Project Tiger is launched in 1973 to 1974. Is one of our most successful conservation ventures in recent times. The project aims at tiger conservation in specially constituted tiger reserves, which are prevented of various biogeographical regions falling within India. It strives to maintain a viable tiger population in the natural environment. Objectives of Tiger Project. Tiger Project ensures number 1, viable population of Bengal tiger. Number 2, protecting tigers from extinction. Number 3, to minimize human-tiger conflict.
Dev is there. Dev. Avjit, you may continue.
Save Our Tigers campaign in India, TBT. Point number 1, Tigers by Tribals campaign promote the tribals to save tigers. Number 2, TBT is an activity to save our tigers by supporting the tribe that loves them. Number 3, TBT arranges a fest, the Tiger and Tribal Fest, praises the lives of tribes and showcase Indian tribal society. Current tiger population in India. Number 1, India is home to 8% of the world's biodiversity, including 70% of the world's tiger population. Number 2, according to recent report, tiger population in the country had grown from 1,400 in 2014 to 2,967 in 2019. Number 3, according to this report, tiger population in the country had grown from 1,400 in 2014 to 2,967 in 2019.
Avjit, continue.
References: www.topper.com.
Thank you very much, Abhi. We don't need to read out references.
Okay.
Say thank you, Vita.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm totally amazed to see your presentation. Very nice. And it's very informative also. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, our turn. I'd like to request my students, Afra Nawar, you can present your presentation. Afra Nawar, please. Are you ready, Afra Nawar?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, you can start now.
Kirandeep ma'am, please stop presenting.
Stop screen sharing.
Yes, sir, I stopped.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Afra, you can share your screen.
Sorry, ma'am. Save tiger. The tiger hidden in every Bengali's soul. Fact about the royalty. The Royal Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris tigris, the national animal of Bangladesh, is the symbol of Bangladeshi pride. She is one of the most fierce animals, gobbling up to 40 kg of meat at one go. Her main abode is the Sundarban forest of Bangladesh and southeastern India. Her body is rich yellow to reddish ochre in color with vertically arranged black stripes. They live for 10 to 15 years. Male Royal Bengal tigers weigh around 180 to 280 kg. whereas female Bengal tigers weigh around 150 to 185 kg. The average length of the males is around 9 feet and that of female is 8 feet. The Bengal tiger is a highly adaptable animal and lives in a wide range of different habitats. This includes forests, mangroves, and wetlands. Tiger can cope with hot or cold temperature areas. Geological distribution, mainly in Sundarban National Park of Bangladesh and India. Number 2, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar. Food habit. In wild, carnivore eat deer, cattle, buffalo, goat, and sheep, etc. by hunting. In zoo, live chicken, beef, and rabbit meat are given. Daily requirement. Number 1, food. Meat 7 to 10 kg. To water approx 5 to 10 liter. Habit. Number 1, generally hunt when it is hungry. Number 2, sleep after eating. Zoological classification. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Mammalia. Order, Carnivora. Family, Felidae. Genus, Panthera. Species, Panthera tigris tigris. Is famous for Royal Bengal tiger. These Royal Bengal tigers are found largely in India and in Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and China. They are found in smaller quantities. It is the only breed of tiger in this world which inhabits mangrove forests and is found in mangroves of Sundarbans. What is special about the Royal Bengal tiger? Bengal tiger stripes are unique to each individual and act just like human fingerprints do. At approximately 4 inches long, the Bengal tiger has the largest canine teeth of any living cat, and their retractable claws are perfect for climbing trees. Why are our tigers trained? Hunting and human population growth are the main threats to Royal Bengal tigers. As the human populations grow, people need more places to live. This reduces the amount of wild habitat for the tiger. People also need more food to eat and may well hunt the same animals for food as the tiger rely on for their survival. Why is there existing endangered? Number 1, hunting by humans. Number 2, shrinking of forests. Number 3, hunting of the prey. Number 4, scarcity of habitat of their food. Number 5, literacy of the locals. Number 6, climate change. Conservation of the tiger. In 2014, the United States Agency for International Development (USAID) initiated the Bengal Tiger Conservation Activity (BAGH) to help improve the biodiversity of the Sundarbans UNESCO World Heritage Site and promote the conservation of the Royal Bengal tiger. Beginning with just 5 volunteers, one team has continued to grow over the years and now has a staff of 95. Most of them are working on the BHS project, for which one team received an $11.8 million grant from USAID. What is the importance of Royal Bengal tiger? The tiger is a unique animal which plays a pivotal role in the health and diversity of an ecosystem. It is a top predator which is at the apex of the food chain and keeps the population of wild ungulated in check, thereby maintaining the balance between prey herbivores and the vegetation upon which they feed. Things to do for protecting our tigers. Number 1. Protect tigers and their habitat. Number 2. Build capacity in wild states. Number 3. Reduce human-tiger conflict. Number 4. Conducts scientific research on tigers to help inform conservation strategies. Number 5. Promote tiger-friendly policies. Number 6. Monitor tigers' numbers, population trends, and threats to tiger and their habitats. Thank you.
Thank you, Afra. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And now,
Very nicely.
without, sir, can you say anything, sir?
Yeah.
Student, please
Yeah.
mute yourself.
Presentation was very nicely presented. Afra, you explained
Thank you,
it.
sir.
Yeah, very nicely, beta. Very nicely. Good.
Thank you, sir.
The information was very nice, nicely collated, and nicely presented. Good.
Sir.
Thank you, sir, for your appreciation. Now, without any delay, we can move on question answer session. Now, my student can ask question if you have any question for the Millennium School. At first, I'd like to request Nasrin, you can ask question. Nasrin, are you there?
Yeah, before that, I would like to say my students, please switch on your screen, please. Camera, please. Switch on your camera so that you are visible to everyone. Yeah, switch on your camera, please, everyone. Yeah, very nice, nice. Yeah, over to you, Lutfunisa. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now, Nasrin, you can ask question to the Millennium School. Nasrin, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher. How did India become successful to increase the population of tigers?
Please repeat your question again.
How did India become successful to increase the population of tigers?
Okay.
Better raise your hand who wants to answer this question. How did India become successful? Yes. Raise your hand, students, the Millennium School students. Raise your hand who wants to answer. Avgeet, Naman, Dev, Akshit. Beta, answer the question, please.
Dev, beta, just answer the question.
Lavish, you can try, beta. Lavish.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Yes, beta.
Yes.
Ma'am, India is successful because it launched the project on it.
Nice.
Okay,
nice.
which project
Thank
can you name?
Save Tigers.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, Laviba, you can ask. If you have any question, Laviba Noor, student of class 9. Laviba, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
I can hear you. Okay, my question to you. How many centuries are there in India? How many centuries are there in India?
How
Yeah,
many?
her question is how many wildlife sanctuaries are there in India? Grade 6 children, please answer this question.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell?
566.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
566.
Okay, Naman want to tell. Yes, Naman.
There are 566 wildlife sanctuaries in India.
Okay, good.
Nice. Nice. Very good. Thank you so much. Now, Afra, you can ask. if you have any question, Afran Awar.
Yes, ma'am. My question is, what did you learn from this project?
Very nice question.
Yes,
What did
beta.
you-
Raise your hand. What did you learn from the Project Tiger?
Harman,
Who is
what
willing
did
to give the answer?
Dave, Lavish?
We have learned
Ma'am,
tigers are.
answer.
We have learned in the ISA projected Save Tigers. It's a great project for us. They will help us to maintain our ecosystem.
Very nice, very good. Any other student want to answer this question? Yeah, Harman, you were supposed to say something. What did you learn? Dhriti beta?
We have learned in this project the population of tigers and what is the importance of tigers.
Nice, very good. Our students have written a letter also to Prime Minister in which some of the suggestions were mentioned. And that
Very nice.
letter, yeah, that letter is acknowledged by Prime Minister's office, and we have promised that we will include the suggestions in the policies in future. So
Very good.
that's a good step taken by our students.
Very good, sir. You are so creative. I know. I worked with you since 2017. So I know you are so creative. Your work is very nice. Very nice. Okay, then do you have any question? I can say Tushita. Are you there? Tushita? Tushita Borua.
How can we students contribute in tiger conservation?
Okay, the
Yes,
question is
beta.
now, how can students contribute in saving tigers? How can you contribute, children? Yeah. Dev, any idea, beta? Dev.
I am thinking. I will tell.
Okay. Arman, how can you contribute? Sitting at your home.
Naman can answer. Naman, Dhriti.
Dhriti.
Sir, we can say our neighbors to be friendly with the wild animals.
Okay. We can run the campaign number
What
one.
else?
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah. Yes, beta. Yes, Naman.
Reduce, reuse, and recycle to protect wildlife habitat. Point number 2, adopt a plant-based diet. Point number 3, live harmoniously with the wildlife animals around your home.
Good. Very nice. Nicely.
Very nice.
Any other students?
Sir, can I?
Yes, beta.
Sir, can I?
Yeah.
One
we'll
by
give you-
one. Okay, first.
Akshit,
We'll
beta.
give time.
Support our work. Second, protect tigers and their habitat. Third, build capacity in range states. Fourth, reduce human-tiger conflict. Fifth, help prevent wildlife trade.
Okay, good. Nice. Harman? Harman, you would like to say something?
We can make notice that save tigers and tell to our relatives, neighbors, friends.
Right. Good. Fine. Over to you, Lutfunisa ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Now, my students, do you have any other question? Ariba, you can ask. Ariba, you there?
Yes, ma'am. My question is, what is the role of tiger in food chain?
Yes, very good question. What is the role of tiger in the food chain? Who will answer? Beta name. Class 6, Naman. Dhriti, Akshit, Dev, what is the role of
Yes.
tiger in food chain?
Ma'am, role of tiger in food chain, because all food chain is based on the tiger. Like tiger eat beer, which is secondary source, and bear eat deer or monkey, that is primary source, and ma'am, they eat plants.
Okay. So, who else want to explain it further?
Sir, I can tell.
Yeah. Yes, Naman.
Sir, can
Yes, Naman first. Naman.
Tiger is a top predator in the food chain. Keystone specialize hold the food web together, controlling the population of primary and secondary source.
Good. Nice. Yes, Harman beta. Harman.
no one can eat a grown up tiger, but tiger of food chain.
Good. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Lutfnisa ma'am.
Very good answer. Thank you so much, sir, ma'am, and beloved students. You have done a very good job. We really enjoyed. Okay, now you student of Millennium School, you can ask question to the Jamal Khan Kusum Kumarii City Corporation Girls High School students. Now you turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Meanwhile, they are preparing. I would like to appreciate. I have seen the Facebook comments which were given by your students, Lutfnisa ma'am. Really, I'm very inspired with that. Yeah, it gave boost up to us. Yeah, our students, they made some e-posters and they sent to you. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, and you posted them on Facebook page, and your students liked and commented very well manner.
And
I definitely
six students
would like
are
to
there. Six students are there. They commented on your Facebook post. They are very initiative. I think they are very cooperative and they worked a lot for ISA project.
Yeah.
You know, we have many other projects also. We are working ICT projects from Bangladesh government. Our student also work there, and Jamal Khan Kusum Kumarii School has many other projects also. Not only ISA project, they work US Embassy project also. So I really feel honored to work a principal like you. You are also a great person, I think. Very creative. Very creative. I have learned so many things from you till 2017.
Yeah, it was due to your cooperation only. Last time my school was able to win ISA award, and this year also we are hoping that we are going to win that award. Yeah, thank you very much for being the partner. Yes,
Yes, Naman, you can ask the question now. Naman, please ask the question now.
Okay, ma'am. So my question is, what is special about Royal Bengali tigers?
Student.
Royal Bengal tiger strips are unique to each individual and actors like human fingerprints too. At approximately 4 inches long, the Bengali tiger has the largest canine teeth of any living cat, and their retractable claws are perfect for cleaving trees. Thank you.
Very nicely presented.
Very good. Akshit, you may ask the next question.
So my question is that why tigers are killed?
Sorry, repeat your question.
Repeat your
I repeat my
question.
question. Why tigers are killed?
Why tigers are killed? Tushita, you can answer, or any other? Tushita, are you
Sorry,
there?
question. Yes, teacher.
Tushita,
Can
are
you
you
hear
there?
me? Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
You can answer the question.
Okay.
Why
Thank
tigers
you for your question.
are being killed?
Tiger hunting is the capture and killing of tigers. The tiger has historically been a popular big game animal and has been hunted for prestige as well as for talking trophies. Extensive poaching has
Please on your
continued
video.
even after such hunting became illegal and legal protection was provided to the tiger. Globally, tigers are an endangered species as many as 30 people are killed by tigers each year. So people kill tigers for protection. The tigers also sometimes eat a beef dinner rather than their more natural diet of deer. This leads to angry farmers poaching tigers after having their valuable cows stolen from them.
Thank you, Tushita. Any one of you, can you add something? Afra or anyone? Do you want to add something? Okay. Okay, go ahead. You can ask question. Student.
Okay. Naman, ask your next question.
My next question is, why Royal Bengali tigers are known as royal?
Yeah, Naman, I would like to request you, please switch on your video first and then ask the question. Yeah.
Okay, you can ask your question again.
Why Royal Bengali tigers are known as royal?
Very good question. I think Afra or any other student.
The tigers found in the Sundarbans is the world-renowned Royal Bengal tiger. Because of the habitat and habitat type higher the live. In their early times, they were settled in Bengal. A hunter from royal family of United Kingdom hunted a Bengal tiger in Sundarban, and these swamp tigers got the name the Royal Bengal Tiger. Tiger is a true king of the jungle and got the title Imperial Royal Bengal Tiger at Sundarban. Thank you.
Well done, Afra. Well done. Very good.
Very nice answer. Akshit or Naman can go with the next question.
My question is that why it is important to save tigers?
I would like to answer the question.
Very good. Nasreen,
We all know
please,
that.
please, you can say more loudly and on your video. We can't hear you.
Okay, teacher. Can you hear me?
You are audible, beta.
Yes.
Yes.
We all know that tiger plays an important role in the health and diversity of an ecosystem. Tigers serve as apex predators in their ecosystem. Tiger is a symbol of wilderness and well-being of an ecosystem. Conserving wilderness is important and crucial to maintain the life support system. Because healthy tiger habitats help to reduce the climate change, provide fresh water to man and animal, reduce the impact of climate change, and improve the health of local people. Without tiger, the whole entire ecosystem would be collapsed. So for all this reason, it is important to save tigers.
Nice.
Very good. Very nice answer. So, sir, no more question is there from our side.
Hanji. So what's the next proceeding?
Yes, sir. So, now our honorable principal, sir, will address all the participants of this meeting. Dr. Gurdeep Singh.
Thank you, Kirandeep ma'am. So, Lutfunisa ma'am, as I have mentioned earlier also, and the students of Jamal Khan Kusum Kumari City Corporation Girls High School from Bangladesh. I'm very happy working with you all. All of you are very lovely kids. I have seen your communication skills, your empathy towards the tigers. You want to save environment. I have read your comments on Facebook page also, and I have seen the reports which you have filled up, feedback forms. I have read all the things, and your learning is immense. Today's presentation also have seen very beautifully. You have captured the pictures of the tigers in different modes, and the information which was collated there, that was really very knowledgeable. My students, though they are in just grade 5th and 6th, so they have learned a lot from you. I hope in the next meeting, if we could strengthen this partnership again and we could do some more projects in future, I would love to request Lutfunisa ma'am to do so. So my students would be learning lot of things from you. So God bless you all, and please be safe from COVID. Wear mask, wash your hands frequently, and social distancing. This is the message from the Millennium School Kalamwali. So be safe, beta, and grow in your career, grow in your studies, and fix your target for your life. Stars are there, you can touch them. Thank you very much once again from core of my heart.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your precious and valuable views. I would like to call Nisa ma'am for her precious views as a closing remarks.
Thank you, ma'am. It's a nice and memorable experience for me to work with the Millennium School, including Dr. Gurudev Singh sir. Actually, our students learn a lot from this project. They work on Facebook page, they prepare slide, and we also learn from the Millennium School a lot. So it's a great opportunity for all of you to work together in this platform, ISA projects. It's not only for ISA projects. We together made, I think, history, because your students, the Millennium School students, prepare a note for Prime Minister. It's a remarkable work, I think. I really appreciate all work and giving opportunity to work with you. I salute you all. Thank you so much, my beloved students. Well done, well done. Very good work you have done. So if I have any opportunity to work with you, obviously I work with you all. And thank you, Gurudev Singh sir and Kirandeep ma'am, giving me opportunity to work with you all. I think we are at the end of the session. I will provide video recording also tomorrow, inshallah, because we have another program today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Sir Gurudev Singh sir, can we end here, or if you have any question or any other thing?
Nothing. We just need the video recording that
Yes,
you have
sir.
already mentioned.
Yes, sir.
And I'll send you the screenshots which are taken by the computer teacher.
Yes, sir.
And if anything else is requested, I'll guide you about that. And once
Thank you so
again,
much.
thank you very much from the core of our heart. You are the beloved students. Thank you very much for guiding us, for being our partner, and presenting so nicely in this today's meeting. Thank you very much once again. We can end up truthful. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Actually, COVID-19 never stops our enthusiasm. So we are here. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. See you next time, inshallah. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. We'll be
Thank
waiting
you
for
so
that.
much, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you all.